Hey everybody, I bought this at Best Buy today because I needed some more earphones to my big computer I use. So I bought these JVCs. Look at this. These are JVC wireless sports wireless. Bluetooth HA-EC. Look at that. So let's open it up. See, look at that. Let's see. Whew, if I can get it out of here. Thing. Let's see, can you see? Because I don't think I can see it good. Got your volume controls. What is the other one? Okay, up. No, down. Maybe this is a mute button or something. It fits in my ear. Oh, there we go. See, sometimes I gotta do the other one like that. There we go. JVC. JVC. So, here's your manual. It's folded up though. Here's another manual. What is this? It's in Spanish. Here are your earbud pieces that you change out, and your charging that I gotta hook up to. Let me see where to hook it up to though. You hook your USB to charge it right there. Let me show you. Hold on. Okay, so you take this. Ooh, my hand is blocking it. So you take this and you put it in. Ooh. Ooh. Damn it. Can't get it. Turn it the other way. Okay, so it goes in like that. Then you hook it up to USB and charge it. And that's what I'm gonna have to do. Let's go do that. Okay, so let me put my USB in here. Ooh. And now let me start the computer and see what it does. So all it does is just charge it by the USB. That's about it. So hold on. So that's it, y'all. Unboxing of JVC Sports Wireless. That's it.